All right, YouTubes. Look at this road work here, right on the bridge at the harbor. Down the one-way traffic. Oh, till 2028. This is going to be a disaster. But at least it's going the way I want to go. Look at that view, huh? Yeah. So this bridge is getting a retro, but I got a reach-in freezer down at the little market up here. Let's go take a look at it and see what we come up with. Freezer down, freezer down, freezer down. Let's get up there. It's a short little drive. Oh, the little habanero Prius. The little habanero orange color that Toyota had was really cool. Okay. Let's see. I'm in the DuPont Chevrolet. Look, I just dated myself. Yeah, I was a Jeff Gordon fan, and I like Jimmy Johnson too. I was a Chevrolet fan for the NASCAR back in the day. Look at this. Let's get front row parking. All right, let's get in there and take a look at this thing. 3-door reach-in freezer. Now we're getting the air show. There he goes. Yeah, dropping smoke over. Meow, circle maker. Free air show. Isn't that great? No price of admission. I'll take it. Somebody's not happy. All the ice cream's melted. Boy. It's like standard evaporator coil. One sensor right here. I see that sensor. Maybe all the controls come down here. Oh yeah, over here. Well, that's an old timer. Go see if the breaker's turned off. Okay, guess which one it is. Well, that one. Turn it off there. What's up? Did you have to throw everything away?
No.
In the freezer? You saved some stuff?
Saved it all because we were here with the thing.
See if I can see anything shorted out here. Okay. Let's get this opened up. All right, we got a little control package slide out. Got our sensors, a couple contactors, probably one for the defrost heaters, one for the compressor, a bunch of ballasts for the lights. This looks crusty right here. Oh, that had gotten hot on something. Oh yeah. Alright, so a little 3-door merchandiser here, freezer. couple little condenser fan motors. They're freewheeling. Condensate loop right here. There's the drain back there where cap tube fed. This is our compressor. I took apart this plug right here. We're gonna check it short, see if it's shorted to ground. That's our little compressor. I didn't even check to see what refrigerant this was. 404A, 28 ounces. 28.9 ounces. All right, see if this thing's shorted out. All right, so the compressor's not starting. We got a fan, we got a compressor output. We got condenser fans.
That was before your time, Bob.
We got no compressor. Checking the run cap. It's a 20 UF. I'm at 7.8, so that's a no-go. Let's check the start cap. Start cap's looking a little better. It's a 98 with 10%. I got 94. There's old literature in the old days that, especially on air conditioners, if you were going to mess with the terminals, you needed to recover the charge first because they're under pressure and they could potentially shoot out at you. These ones here, let me get the screwdriver. I don't want to put my face. Don't ever put your face over these things. This one's blown out and it's a goner. Look at that. Zoom in. Watch this. Boom, goner. So that one blew out good. There's probably not any gas left in it. So we got to get a compressor for this freezer. I'll do the compressor, the 2 condenser fan motors, and we'll redo this condensate loop and the filter dryer. Let's see if we can make a freezer out of this again. That's where we're at. I'm gonna deep scrub on this guy. All right, so that one I need a compressor, a couple condenser fan motors, a dryer, redo the condensate loop while we're in there, deep clean the condenser. The good news on that one is we're not gonna have to break out the recovery machine. That thing blew right out the compressor terminal. That was a good one, but like I was saying in there was old literature about if you're gonna get on those terminals and the unit's under pressure to be super careful. So if you're a younger or newer technician, don't get your face in front of those things ever if it's under pressure. It's a little tip of the day. All right, stay tuned for the follow-up.